Make a photo scrapbook with me using my mini photo printer.
This is a very interesting thing. This mini printer is a small printer connected with phomemo technology. This is a very useful thing for school activities for office work. It will be good for you. There is a button in this printer. From here there is paper. It gets printed and comes out. There is no ink inside it. It is connected to thermal energy. It has a battery of 1090 mAh which will last you the whole day. But the printing will not stop. And to open it, you just have to pull the box above it a little so that it will open. Inside this you have to use this type of roll. You will get different colored rolls in the market and online. You can use this mini printer through a mobile application and Bluetooth. If you want to buy it, type mini printer in the comment of this video and I will send you the link from where you can buy it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my page.